Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine. Yesterday we were talking about Sultan Ghiyasuddin, how he was called in the he had to summon in the Qazi's court, and when he reached over there, Qazi told him the offense which was done by Sultan, and what was the what was reply given by Sultan. Sultan was ready to pay the fine. Okay, whatever complaint was given by widow, he accepted the complaint, and he said that whatever fine I will have to pay, I will pay that fine, and then justice was given to the widow. Okay, so here it is. I will just read this paragraph. The Sultan accepted the judgment and apologized to widow. He went and said, widow, that I am so sorry, because of me this all happened, because of me you had to suffer, or you had to lost your son. He apologized to the widow. He arranged to pay the fine immediately. Immediately he sent his soldier in the palace to bring fine and pay that fine to the widow. The widow felt satisfied that the offense was brought home to the offender. Are you getting or not? Offense was brought home to the offender means what? Yeah, who had done offense, that person was brought in the court, and he was told to pay fine. So widow was happy. When the case was over, the Qazi got up from his high seat. What happened? Qazi got up from his seat and told Sultan to sit on a high seat, because Sultan was a king and he should be given respect by everyone. But when Sultan entered the court, at that time each and every person stood up, but Qazi did not stood. Why? He had ego or what? No, he did not had ego, but he just wanted to tell that yes, I have respect for you, but now at present you are an offender and you are called in the court to pay fine, or you have to accept the offense what you have done. And then so he gets ready. Correct, he says yes, and then Qazi becomes happy. If Sultan would have said, or if he would have refused that no, I cannot pay fine and I have not done anything, if he would have done that, what would happen? Qazi would get angry and he would have given punishment to the Sultan. But Sultan accepted all his offense, and what he did? He paid fine to the widow, and he bore towards the Sultan. Now what happened on the next page? Take out your page number 3030. The Sultan then drew the hidden sword from his robe and told the Qazi, I am happy that you did not waver in your duty. Waver means what? You did not hesitate in your duty. Meaning of waver is what? Hesitate. You did not hesitate in your duty means what? You did not become unsure, or you did not think that he is king, then how can I give him punishment, or how can I call him to the court. So King Sultan becomes happy. Okay, I am happy that you did not waver in your duty. Waver means what? You did not hesitate in your duty of giving law, making law, or then giving justice to the widow. You did not hesitate to punish me, otherwise I would have beheaded you with this sword. Sultan had taken one sword in his robe. He had kept one sword in the robe and he went over there. Why he took sword? Because he wanted to behead means what? He was going to kill Qazi. Because of what reason? If Qazi will not do judgment properly, Qazi जर judgment properly नाही केलं तर सुलतान काय करणार होता? Qaziचं he was going to separate, by cutting his neck, he was going to separate his head from the body. Beheaded means what? To cut the head from body. Okay. The Qazi then put his hand under the cushion where the Sultan was seated and brought out the whip. He said, Your Majesty, I am happy because you obeyed the law. Otherwise, I would have whipped you in this court. Same thing was done by Qazi also. Qazi was also having sword. He was having a whip. Whip means instrument, or you can say it is like a knife only. He was going to kill whom? He was going to kill Sultan. But then both were happy with the judgment. Correct or not? Sultan said, if you will not, तुम्ही जर व्यवस्थित जजमेंट केलं नसतं तर मी तुम्हाला मारणार होतो. आणि काझी पण तेच बोलला. काझी बोलला की जो लॉ आपल्या किंगडममध्ये केलेला आहे तुम्ही जर फॉलो केला नसता तर मी तुम्हाला मारणार होतो. अँड दे बोथ शोज सॉर्ड टू इच अदर. वन इज शोईंग सॉर्ड अँड वन इज शोईंग whip, WHIP, whip. Okay. Then what happened further? The Sultan then got up and embraced the Qazi. Thank God we both did our duty, he said. Everyone present in the courtroom praised the two great men. And everyone with happiness, they praised. They said, right, Qazi is good in his judgment as well as Sultan is also good in his, what we call, he follows the rule. Whatever rule is made for people in the palace, same rule even he himself follows. ते स्वतः पण फॉलो करतात आणि किंगडममधल्या लोकांना पण फॉलो करायला लावतात. ओके. इन दिस वे वी हॅव कम्प्लीटेड आवर लेसन. नाव हिअर आर सम क्वेश्चन्स. What is your homework? You have to write down these questions. Okay. Answer the following questions with yes or no. Did the Sultan want to kill the widow's son? No. He did purposely or what? मुद्दामून केलं का सुलताननी? No. So first answer is what? No. Second, did the officer give the summons to the Sultan? Yes. So second answer is yes. Third one, did the Sultan appear in the Qazi's court? Yes. Sultan appeared in the Qazi's court. Fourth one, was the Qazi's judgment fair? Yes. So our fourth answer is what? Yes. Next one is, did the Sultan obey the law? Whatever law was made by Qazi, did Sultan obey his law? Yes. So our fifth answer is yes. And the last one is, was the Sultan happy with the Qazi? Yes, because whatever judgment was done by Qazi, Sultan was happy with his judgment. So sixth answer is yes. Understood? In this way, what you have to do, you have to write down this first 6 sentences and answers in front of them. That is your homework for today. Next question is, give reasons for the following. The Sultan hid a sword in his robe. Why? The answer of this question is, the answer of this question is what? The Sultan hid a sword under his robe. So what will be answer? Why? Why did he hide a sword? The Sultan hid. Question number second. First, the Sultan hide a sword under his robe. Under his robe to behead the Qazi. To behead the Qazi in case he had hesitated to do his duty. Second question which is given in the book is, the second question which is given is, the Qazi hid a whip under the cushion. The Qazi hid, I am writing answers. The Qazi hid a whip. The Qazi hid a whip under the cushion to whip the Sultan to whip the Sultan in case he had disobeyed the law. He had disobeyed the law. Whatever law was made in the palace or in the kingdom, if he would have disobeyed the law at that time, Qazi was going to kill Sultan. Okay, in this way we have completed some question number 1 and 2 give reasons. There are some more give reasons, I think so, more 3 are there, that no more 2 give reasons and opposite words that I will give you next week. Okay, thank you.